Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on your Android phone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first and simple thing is just making sure your volume is actually turned up. So you'll notice here the volume up and down button, just simply toggle on to see if this icon shows up. Now sometimes the buttons may not work. In that case, you're just going to pull down that top menu and look for the volume icon right here and adjust it there as well. Now, after you have done that, another thing you want to do from this menu is pull down and make sure your phone is accidentally not on Do Not Disturb. If it is, you want to turn that off, or if it's on silent mode as well, you want to turn that off. Now, along with that is one other quick thing you want to check out is that if you recently install a new case, it could be blocking the speaker. So you want to make sure you remove that. Now, also check if there's dust, lint, dirt build up on the speaker grill, and this could also block the sound. Now, after you have checked that, the next thing you want to do is the actual settings for sound. So you're going to go into your swipe up by going to your settings and then look at sounds and vibration. And make sure instead of either vibrate or mute, you actually have the sound turned on. And that could be a simple fix as that. Now, if you're still not seeing the sound, the next thing you want to do is make sure for each of these sound notification, you have something selected. For example, for ringtone, you're going to make sure you select a ringtone and not like something that says none or not selected. And then you can also adjust the volume up here as well. So go ahead and check through which one you need and then do that as well. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you're going to go ahead and do is from your settings, look at connections and then specifically Bluetooth connections. And you want to check if your device is connected to a Bluetooth. Sometimes if it's connected to a Bluetooth device, it may actually be pushing the sound there instead of playing it on your phone. So what I recommend, just simply turning off Bluetooth and see if you can have sound here. If you do, that you know it's being connected to another Bluetooth device, you need to disconnect from that device by tapping on it and then disconnecting. Now, if you're still having issue, the next thing you're going to go ahead and check out is testing out different apps. So let's say the sound is not working on YouTube, try a different app like Instagram or Facebook, somewhere else, and play a video. See if you have sound there. If you do have sound there, that means it's an issue with the app. You'll need to either update the app from the Play Store or basically look into why it's not working on that app itself. Now, if you're still having issue, the next thing you're gonna do is just simply restart your phone. So pull down the top menu, click on the power icon, restart, or use the volume down and the side button as well, like this, to restart depending on your phone. Just a simple restart to fix any software related issue. Now, if you're still having issue, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is simply update your phone. So for this one, you're going to start by going to your setting and then look for software update and then check for new update. If there is an update, you want to go ahead and update your device as well. Now, once you update your phone, and if you're still having issue, you need to do basically a setting reset. So starting from your main settings, right, you're going to start going to general management, and then we're going to look for reset right here, and then we need to do a reset of all settings. So this is resetting all the settings to make sure there isn't an issue with the setting that could be preventing the sound. It will not delete any of your data, so really important to go ahead and do that. And last troubleshooting thing you may want to consider is that if your device doesn't produce sound, it could be a hardware related issue. What you can try doing is in your settings, connections, Bluetooth. If you have a Bluetooth headphone, or even if you have a wired headphone, you can plug in just to see if there is sound producing from your device at all. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.